Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, we will solve example number 17 and 18 from problem set 2 of chapter Pythagoras Theorem, which are based on Apollonius Theorem. Example number 17. Segment PM is a median of triangle PQR. If PQ is equal to 40, PR is equal to 42, PM is equal to 29, find QR. So let us first draw the figure in triangle PQR. Triangle PQR. Segment PM is the median. So here M is the midpoint of QR. PM is the median. M is midpoint. PQ is equal to 40. PR is equal to 42. PM, length of the median is given 29. Find length QR we have to find. So first here in triangle PQR, segment PM is the median. So whenever there is a median in a triangle, we should use Apollonius Theorem. So using Apollonius Theorem, first we will find QM and then we will find QR. So by Apollonius Theorem, here Apollonius Theorem, we start with the vertex P, PQ square plus PR square, PQ square plus PR square is equal to 2 times length of the median, 2 times length of the median square of the median plus 2 times QM square plus 2 times QM square. Now substituting the value in the formula. So PQ, that is 40, therefore 40 square plus PR 42 square is equal to 2 times PM, that is for 29, 2 into 29 square plus 2 times QM square. Now square of 40 square, that is 16, therefore 1600, square of 40 is 1600, square of 42 plus 1764 is equal to 2 times 29 square, 29 square is 841, so 2 into 841 plus 2 times QM square. Therefore, adding 1600 plus 1764, 4, 6, 7 plus 6 is 13, carry 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3, 3364 is equal to 2 into 841, that is 2 1s are 2, 4 2s are 8, and 8 to the 16 plus 2 QM square. Therefore, now shifting this, subtracting 1682 from 3364, therefore 2M square, 2QM square is equal to 3364 minus 1682. That is, therefore 2QM square is equal to 4 minus 2, 2, 16 minus 8, 8, 12, your 12 minus 6, 6, and 2 minus 1, that is 1. Therefore, QN square is equal to 1682 divided by 2. Dividing 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, and 2 1s are 2, which is equal to 841. So qm square is equal to, qm is equal to square root of, taking square root of both the side, 841, that is square root of 841 is 29. So here it is 29 units qm. So here qr, now qm is 29. So qr is double of qm since m is a midpoint. So qr is equal to 2 into qm, which is equal to 2 into 29, that is qr is equal to 2 into 29, which is equal to 58 units. Example number 18. Say M is a median of triangle ABC. If AB is equal to 22, AC is equal to 34, BC is equal to 24, find M. So here in triangle ABC, here segment AM is the median in triangle ABC, M is the midpoint of BC, AB is equal to 22, AC is equal to 34, BC, length of BC is given, that is 24. Find, you have to find AM, mid length of the median. So here segment, what is given? Segment AM is a median. Segment AM is a median. Therefore, M is a midpoint. It is the midpoint of segment BC. Therefore, BM, since BM is equal to length of seg BM is equal to 1/2 into length BC, half of BC, which is equal to 1/2 into BC is given 24, 2 1s are 2, 2 12s are, which is equal to 12 units. So here BM is equal to 12 units. Now segment AM is a median. Whenever there is a median in a triangle, we should apply Apollonius Theorem. So by Apollonius Theorem, therefore by Apollonius Theorem, here Apollonius Theorem, where sum of the squares of adjacent side here of vertex A, AB square plus AC square, AB square plus AC square is equal to 2 times AM square, 2 times AM square plus 2 times BM square. So it is 2 times AM square plus 2 times BM square. Now substitute the values, the AB 22, AC 34, BM 12, we have to find AM. So here AB 22 square plus AC 34 square plus 2 times AM, we have to find length of the median, plus 2 times BM 2N square. Now taking the squares, therefore 22 square, that is 484, square of 22, 484, plus 34 square, square of 34 is 1156, is equal to 2 times AM square plus 2 times 12 square is equal to 144. Now adding the left hand side numbers here, 6 plus 4 10, 1 carry, 8 plus 5 13, plus 1 14, 1 carry, 5 plus 4 plus 1 5, plus 1 6, that is 1640, adding these two numbers. So 2 times AM square plus 2 into 144, that is 288. Therefore 2 AM square is equal to 1640 minus 288. 1640 minus 288, that is equal to 2. 10 minus 8, 2. Again 13 minus 8, 5. Plus 5 minus 3. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. That is 1, 3, 5, 2. Therefore, am square dividing 1352 divided by 2, which is equal to 8, 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, 1 carry, 2 7 are 40, 1 carry, that is 2 676. 676 is a perfect square. So, am taking square root of both the sides, am is equal to square root of 7, square root of 676, which is equal to 26 units. So, square length of the median, here length of median, that is am is equal to 26 units.